Hey guys, it's McLovin here, or how I'm known in Airsoft by my friends as Ninja Pro. I am bringing you today an Airsoft gun review. So yeah, this is the DBOYS-I M16 CQB M16, whatever. It's one of the two. Got it off of airsplat.com for $40. Not too shabby. FPS, they say the FPS is 260. I've tested it out on a chrono at my friend's house. I don't have a chrono yet, but it ranges around 280 to 290 FPS. So they're a little off. So alright, let's get started. Alright, this is all the content it comes with. We've got a grip, ballistic glasses, speed loader, this railing stuff, things for the flashlight. Right there's elastic to hold the little laser. This right here onto the grip. Then you got the magazine, got a blue light, pretty good blue light. It's better than my other one, that's for sure. Another railing thing, and a screwdriver. Oh, and then we got a 3-point tactical sling. Then we got the gun. We've got the DBOYS battery holder. Looks like tactical light. Alright, just a second here. Then we've got, let's see here. It says LJ battery NC12Y, and then 2/3 AA 300 milliamp 8.4 volt battery. So yeah, I'm planning on getting a lithium. Lithium. I'm gonna try and find one that fits this gun. So yeah. Alright, so yeah. They say it's CQ. The website, come on, work with me here. The website says it's CQB, and frankly, this doesn't look CQB. It's pretty large. It's about standard. Screw it. I'm not gonna bother with that. There's a case. I'm not gonna bother with that anymore. So, right, speed loader. Oh yeah, I almost forgot one thing. And then also comes with this pack of starting 0.2 gram white beads. The 0.2. Because they feel like 0.2s, but yeah. Alright, so here's the screwdriver. It is a star screwdriver. Not the brand, but the shape of the head. Flashlight, rail things, the mag, more of those rail things, elastic. And then we've got a little laser pointer. Here, second. There's the laser pointer. Ballistic glasses. This grip is crap. I mean, it won't really fit on the railings. You gotta really force it onto the railings. So it's crap. I'm not gonna use the grip whatsoever. So I don't know why I still had it. I'm just gonna throw that grip away. Recycle it. And so yeah, that's pretty much all the gun's contents. Oh yeah, then it also comes, yes, I do have an original NES. It's not a remake, it's a full original. It's a UK Arms M16. Here's the manual. It has a fixed top up. It's the fixed top up version. There's the gun. Yeah. Tactical 3-point sling, that's how to put it on. Took me like half an hour to put it on. Excuse me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright. I mean, on the battlefield, this sound pretty cool. Side camera view. We can try and make it a little railing for this. A little mount. It's a camera mount. Let's, yeah. Here's safety. It's on safety. There's semi. There's safety. There's semi. And there's full auto. Alright. Semi. Let's do it. Alright. Semi. Alright. Full auto. So yeah, it's a pretty decent gun. I haven't taken it out in battle yet. I got it yesterday, and yesterday was Thursday, May 19th. It's May 20th right now. So yeah, this has been a Vengeance Day Airsoft review, second Airsoft review. So yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys later on the YouTube. So wait, just one gosh darn second. Oh, there. Okay. Yeah. Some breaking Benjamin. So yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys later.